Vaping is different from smoking because of the device. So there is no combustion of any chemical or material, but there is a high temperature applied to create the fumes. Doing the vape is not technically smoking, and that's why there was the misconception that it might be less harmful compared to the cigarette smoke. Unfortunately, the effect of that heating element inside that electronic device, and which the solution, they're usually liquid in the solution that would now be beside the heating element. The other chemicals produced are actually as harmful as the cigarette smoke. That's what has been seen, even if they're less in amount.